Life is totally different in the streets of Lagos. Well, this here was how I started my hustle.
Sir?
Then I took my hustle to the traffic on the island.
Bros, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Follow me by gala now.
Nah, Chama, no the chop gala.
Oga, buy gala, I don't finish already. Now only 4 remain.
Chama, I don't want this. Take this thing out of here, please.
Oga, buy gala.
Chama says you take this thing out of this place. I said I'm not eating.
You go
now.
need chin chin. Yeah, now 2 remain for this one.
Come
You
on.
don't need. Oga, see if you keep on, follow me chop chin chin.
My teeth are paining me. I can't eat chin chin. I don't eat
Oga,
anything.
you need chin chin for traffic.
Come on, I don't want chin
Now,
chin.
why you dey do like
Can you
this?
stop stressing me? I don't eat chin. My teeth is too fragile for this. I don't eat chin
Your
chin.
teeth is fragile.
I don't eat chin chin. I don't need this thing now. Can you leave here, please?
You don't need chin chin.
I don't need chin chin. I'm fine.
Oga, wait. Oga, hold on first now. Wait first.
Oh,
Oga, buy
God.
mineral now.
Chama, no, I'm fine. And I don't want to drink mineral now. My sugar level is high. It's somehow. I don't drink
Oga,
sugar.
mineral will reduce the sugar level.
Chama, I said I don't take sugar. I don't want.
You know what? You know one mineral
I don't want mineral, God.
for
Okay.
traffic.
I don't want
Wait. Wait.
Oh God.
You need water.
I don't want. I'm fine.
They confront.
I don't want water. I'm going. My house is not far from here. I'll drink water when I get home. I'm okay.
Okay, so you don't follow me buy water.
Jesus.
I get that one here. See now. I get 2 Jesus. This one are from Jesus of Sierra Leone. This one are from Russia.
What's the meaning of this?
Okay, wait. No way. Jesus of Lekki Peninsula. Now they cause this traffic here.
What's the meaning of?
Follow me buy Jesus.